Hi everyone, I'm Angela Doerr, proprietor of Cultured Vine.
And I'm Raquel Bickford Oranges, brand director at Cultured Vine. And we're here to tell you about our exciting Kickstarter campaign with local partnering artists Richard Von Saul and Jermaine Burse. We're creating an art installation for downtown Napa that honors the legends who put Napa Valley wines on the map at the Judgment of Paris.
We are honored and humbled to be paying tribute to legends such as Steven Spurrier, the visionary behind the Judgment of Paris. George Tabor, without him, who wrote the article in Time magazine, who knows what would have happened? And of course, Patricia Gastaud-Gallagher, who, with her inspiration, worked with Steven back in Paris and made the first trip out to Napa to garner wines such as famed Chateau Montelena and Stag's Leap. You, this time, get to join us in saying the greatest thank you that wine country has ever seen. Never before has there been a Kickstarter campaign with prizes such as these. Prizes that include a one-on-one video chat with none other than legendary Steven Spurrier. Other prizes include an archivable print that's specially designed by Jermaine Burse. Another great prize is your name etched on the plaque of the art installation designed by Richard Von Saul that'll be in downtown Napa. When you're coming out visiting your wine tastings, why not visit the piece that you helped to create?
And another great reward prize is, Ange? Thanks, George. Signed copy of The Judgment of Paris by George Tabor.
Cheers! Take it away, Richard.
Hey, thanks, gals. Judgment of Paris, California versus France. 1976, the Bicentennial with George Tabor writing about it. This has got to be incredible. Oh, signed by George himself. Huh. What do you make of this, Jermaine?
Thank you, Richard.
On May 24th, 1976, the 9 judges chose California wine above the top wines of France. And the rest is history. To be coming to Napa 44 years after the Judgment of Paris happened is a great honor. I should know. I was there.
I believe this piece needs to have the soul of the valley. So I'll be using oak from trees that are taken down in Rutherford. Some barnwood and different materials will be fused in with the oak. And then steel from a couple of our iconic buildings that help pave the road to Napa, as Napa pipe, and some of the burned material from Calistoga Ranch, and a few of my other friends' wineries that were unfortunately taken in the fires of Napa. I want to emulate what Napa's all about and what we've been through to get where we are. And this iconic piece is going to show just that.
And a special thank you to Steven Spurrier, George Tabor, and Patricia Gastaud-Gallagher.
Join us and make history again.